What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you had an absolutely spectacular weekend. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currency at 0.026, down 6.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap 844 million, 24-hour volume 88 million. So we've come down to create a lower low, caught a nice short trade on the way down, hit our TP3 for 112%. So we do have support coming in. You can see where we're bouncing here right around 0.02347. I do think we will soon bounce. As you can see, we're creating bullish divergences, and we've just been bleeding for quite a while now. And Ethereum, BTC, they're in demand zones. So I do think it's likely that we see a bounce shortly back to the upside and start to complete this correction for Gala. So once we get that first 5-way move off the low, then we can look for longs on the next pullback. As we can see, that level there is quite a bit of support. Your next level is 0.0212. Of course, anything can happen. I don't see price coming down that low, but really a beautiful opportunity to be scooping up Gala at these prices. For a longer term HODL position. Yes, I still believe Gala will reach $1. There's a lot of doubters, but I mean, maybe you've never been around during a bull run. It's absolutely insane. Just look at projects like Mana and Sand in the previous bull run where they started. I think Sand was like maybe 4 cents. It went to $8, guys. So you never know what can happen with our friend Gala Games, but we should see turnaround soon. And we could create a nice little double bottom and then bounce back to the upside. But we need to get that 5-way move off the low for confirmation, and we'll be trading it along the way. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single trade on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Send me an email. You can make a deposit, $10, $100, doesn't matter. Once you've made that deposit, send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, completely for free. If you don't want to go that route, you don't want to sign up to BITUNIX, $10 a month, sign up to the Patreon, all links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.